Hi, hello, and welcome to AutoPostingTools.com. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to scrap information from AdWords. So in this case, we want to find the search volume for the keywords that we want. So to start off, we're going to get some keywords. So whenever you get software, you get these 125 modules that we have so far. And some of the modules here are related to keywords. In this case, we're going to go here in YouTube, Google eBay keywords. This is just to find the keywords that we're going to be getting the search volume for. So you click on here. Here you have a bunch of different services where you can get keywords from. These are the suggestions from this site. So, for example, if I wanted to find information from YouTube about a new product that I wanted to find, I could put iPhone. Then I could put search keywords, and this is going to give me this information. Also, if I put search all keywords, it's going to find me a lot of keywords that I could use for this example. So as you can see, it has all these different keywords, but just because I wanted to keep it simple and do it a little bit fast, I'm just going to click this again, and then this is going to appear. So we're going to start to find the search volume and the information for these different keywords to see how much it will cost to do a campaign on AdWords and to see how much volume of search volume we get for these keywords. This case could be keywords for any kind of service or product or whatever, but we're going to do it about the iPhone right now. Obviously, you could do it for a different niche or different product. So I'm just going to copy the keywords, copy text box. So this will copy all the keywords. I'm going to come back here, and then I'm going to go to more awesome modules. Do it again to the keyword research modules, and then I go to AdWords Scraper. So here we are on the AdWords Scraper. This is the one that we're going to be using, and we're going to open Firefox because we want to log into AdWords. So we click open Firefox. This is going to be using something called Selenium. So you'll see that it has a small robot. This is so we could interact with the web browser and get the source code for AdWords. So in this case, we come back here, we click on open. This is for the keyword planner. So it's going to go and open the keyword planner for us. It's going to ask us for login. So we log in with your own account. So you log in with your own account, and then this is going to go to AdWords. So as you remember, I have in the clipboard all my keywords that I want to get the volume search for, and I have like the keywords for getting the other information about them. So we here we paste the keywords. Obviously, you could get keywords from somewhere else. This is just an example. These are keywords that I'm going to target to see what are the search volume for these, and I click get started. So as you can see here, I'm going to be getting all these keywords, and I'm going to get all these results. So if you scroll down, you see these are the results for these keywords. In this case, we want to keep these for ourselves, so we're going to extract this information. Right now, if you see here, you are on the forecast. The forecast basically means that if you run this campaign, how much it's going to cost you, and how much is going to be your cost per click, and how much is going to be to click to your click through rate. So basically, how many people click through your ad based on previous campaigns that other people have done. So I'm just going to come back here, and I'm going to put click extract forecast. And as you can see here, we have all this information. With this information, we could just click here, Control C, and paste it into Excel to save this and have it for us to watch later. And then we could come back to here, and then we could go to the historical metrics. This is going to get us the search volume and the competition for the keywords that we are trying to target. So we come back here, we click here, extract historical metrics, and this is the information that we get. So now in this case, this is really useful information for us if we're going to plan to do something with these keywords. So in this case, let's just see here. You see iPhone 8 had like a lot of clicks, and it has like a lot of impressions, and it also cost a lot. So your average click cost per click is $1.29. So you could use this in two ways. At least I would use it for those ways. If I have a video in YouTube, this would be my click cost per click. So this is how much people is going to be paying every time they click an ad in your YouTube videos. So these are the themes or the focus that you should be focusing on, so you make a little bit more money. Now, this also tells us for us advertisers how much we will be paying, like if we try to target those keywords for every click that somebody does. So you see, some of them are cheaper than others, and some of them get you more traffic than other. So it just depends on what you want to have. So now, if you go to the historical metrics, you see that here we have like competition. Because it's an iPhone, most of them will have high competition. And some of them will not. So it just depends to find something like that's going to help you. So for example, let's just check this one. So iPhone 8 unboxing. So this one, if you see here, you have an average 100 to 1,000 average view, and then the competition is low. So if we wanted to make to generate traffic, this will be something that we could that we could use, because it's a low-hanging fruit. Meaning that if we make a video about this and we are able to rank it, we're going to get 1,000 people watching our video every single month. Now, you should want to go for these ones, but these ones really have a high competition. So it's going to take you longer, but it's also going to get you more search. So this is just basically analyzing the traffic that you might be getting from these keywords and see what you should be focusing on. So I will just go for the medium ones. So this one is an iPhone 8 reviews. I get 10,000K, 10K search volume every month. And basically I'm going to be making a video about it. I will do an iPhone 8 review. If I'm able to rank it, then I'm going to be making around 10,000 views. So I could be selling products there about iPhone 8 or so on. I could have my own store. So this traffic will go to my store, because I'm making videos about this, and this is getting a lot of search volume. So this is just an example, and basically this is how the Keyword Planner scraper works. And basically it's going to get you the search volume for the keywords. You could save this by clicking here, Control-C, paste it into Excel. And one final thing that we are going to review now. Let's say we go here on this iPhone 8 review. We click on YouTube search. This is going to go in YouTube, and it's going to find the videos about YouTube iPhone 8 review. So if you scroll down, you will see your competition. You will see how many views they have. So this has 201K views. This one has 3.5 million. So if you're able to outrank some people here, and in this example, maybe it's going to be a little bit difficult, but in another example, if you were to able to outrank these people, you will be getting around 10K views every single month. And then from there, you could just be focusing on nice keywords that are going to bring you a lot of traffic. And if they bring you a lot of traffic, then you could be making more sales, because you will be generating traffic to your site. And this is just a very easy way to focus on the right keywords, so you don't lose your time focusing on keywords that doesn't work. For example, iPhone 8 unboxing. This might work, but it only gets 1K views on search volume. But it will be good because it's easy to rank for that. Anyway, so this is the video about the AdWords scraper. If you would like to get it along the 125 modules that we have on howtopostingtools.com, you could do it there. So get it on howtopostingtools.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.